In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Squadbusters. To get started with the video, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Squadbusters on your device. As you can see in here, I already have an account on Squadbusters. But to be able to illustrate to you how you can create an account, what I'll need to do in here is to log out from my Squadbusters account. Now, to be able to do that, click on the top right corner of your screen. Click on Open ID to open your Supercell ID. Now in this area, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right and click on the logout button to be able to log out to your account. Now once I have logged out to my account, I'll be redirected into this section. If you're a new user on Squadbusters, you'll get redirected into this section. So you can log in with your Supercell ID or play without Supercell ID. But before this, you'll need to enter your page and you'll need to actually go through the tutorial phase of Squadbusters. Once you get redirected into the section, just go ahead and click on the login with Supercell ID to be able to create a Supercell ID account. So click on the login to Supercell ID and here go ahead and click on the continue button. And in this section, you just need to enter the email that you want to use to create a Supercell ID account. After that, go ahead and click on the login button and in here you'll need to enter the verification code that Supercell ID sent to you on your Google Mail account. So just enter the verification code in this section and you'll be able to proceed with the next step by clicking on the submit button, and after that you can immediately sign in to your Squadbusters account with a Supercell ID account connected to it. And that's how you can simply create an account on Squadbusters. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.